Hey guys, it's Brandon. So a really important Bitcoin BSV update. I couldn't believe what I was seeing when I scrolled down to the 24-hour volume. It's 45% of the total market cap, 418 million. Is actually 800. It's up 800% from what it normally is. So 418 million, by the way, is way more than 45% of 514. So 514 is the total market cap. 418 million, that's almost 100%. Okay, we're like up into the 80% range, almost 90. So this number isn't even accurate. But check this out. When we go up here on the 1-day chart and you scroll across, it tells you like the real-time 24-hour volume, and you got 41 million, 43 million, blah blah blah. Okay, and then when you get over to here, it falls down into the okay, but watch this. When we get over here, all of a sudden the 24-hour volume, why isn't it working? Of course. Hang on. Reload. Okay. The point is, if we can get over here to what's recent today, it goes up to huge volume. Why isn't it working? This is really bizarre that it's not working. $418 million just right in the last couple hours. Okay, right here at the very end, the volume just went nuts. So again, I think that's volume keeping it down. So when you zoom out to a 7-day, the volume isn't even apparent anymore, because right here at the very end, it does this big spike up, which dwarfs all the other volume. So the volume is not even visible hardly at all, because right here at the end, we get this big spike up, which hasn't been displayed yet, but it's going to display here soon. So just keep an eye on BSV, because that volume is huge. It's 80% market cap volume, basically, according to CoinMarketCap. Let's go see what's and again, that's what it's up. It's up 800%. Okay, but this is the real figure: 418 versus 514. So that's a really big deal, guys. Okay, so let's just for kicks here, let me pull up something else. Let's go look at, this is CoinGlass, which shows the volume for Bitcoin. Okay, so about the same as it's been for the past couple days, but overall it's down, so that's good. The exchange volume on Bitcoin's coming down. Let's see what gold prices are real quick. Give me a second. There's the gold futures chart for the past 5 days. It's up, of course. So anyhow, just figured I'd show you guys that. The volume, like right now in the stock market, things are a little crazy as well. SMCI started taking off this morning. You can see here the dates, and then SMCI takes off. So pretty interesting what's going on. It's interesting the BSV is being held down so much. Let's go look at Wolf Speed broke out yesterday because they had an announcement that they were going to come out of bankruptcy. So it popped up last night after hours. And let's see what else we got. Taiwan Semiconductor popped up last night. And SPY is up to 650 again. So we're approaching all-time highs again with the S&P 500. So pretty interesting what all is going on, guys. So keep an eye on it all. But that BSV volume, that's huge. Nothing else has that kind of volume. Like, I mean, let's go to let me pull it up here. Let me go back to any other cryptocurrency today. And see what they're doing is they're keeping it cloaked by having this figure here only say 45% instead of the true number, which is 80%. When you go out here to the main, when you go out here to the main, let me show you what I mean. Cryptocurrencies, rankings, Bitcoin, volume versus market cap. So we're going to sort it by that. So First Digital has, these are all stable coins, so we know that. Python Network is up there. World Liberty is up there. Okay, back down to 19. But they're saying that its volume is 19%. Okay, that's about right. So right now BSV has higher volume than World Liberty. And look, as we scroll down here, BSV isn't even on the first page. We always have to go to the second page. I think that has to do with the fact that it's quote-unquote delisted. They bumped it back. So now we're going to the second page. And here's BSV. Oh, look, and it actually shows it accurate right there, 80%. That's 81%. I wonder what Open Ledger is. I've never seen that before. I'm not a huge crypto follower. This is something that just launched. It's just got a one-day chart. There's nothing else. Oh, no, here it is. Yeah, it's only got like a one-day chart. You go any other distance and it's all the same. So I guess Open Ledger is something to keep an eye on too, but I'll take my chances with BSV, but I'm going to do some more homework on this Open Ledger now. It's at 500 million versus 1 billion, so it's at 50%. It says 200%, but that's not accurate. It's only 50%. So right now, BSV is the highest. BSV should be ahead of Open Ledger. Let's see what this Cato thing is about. $300, $330. So that's only 90%. No, excuse me. $600, $330. Okay, so that's 200%, which is what it says. Okay. Let me go back. Maybe I looked at that Open Ledger one wrong. Maybe I was looking at the wrong figure. Let me see here. $500 to... Oh, I see. The current market cap's only 229. So yeah, I was wrong. This is roughly double that. So yeah, okay. So anyhow, but eventually they're going to deliver $1 billion worth. So it's only 50% of the total market cap. Whereas Bitcoin SV is at 80% of its total market cap. You see? What happened to Bitcoin SV? Where did it go? Oh, shit. I think my list got unsorted. There it is. So right now, Bitcoin SV is number 2. Damn. It's number 2 at 80%. Because one of these wasn't accurate, but the other one was. But or maybe, yeah, they're both accurate. So it's number 3. That's fine. Bitcoin SV is number 3. But that's huge volume, guys. So pay attention to that. See ya.